Okay, now that you know how to set up Rebeloper Messages 10 or Rebeloper Messages X, whatever you want to call it, we will run on our iPhone X simulator. So go ahead and build and run it, and let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. It's loading up. And there you go. We are presented with the first category, and let me guide you through. This is the categories button, and if you tap on it, a nice animation will slide in with all of the categories. Cool, eh? And as you can see, we only have 3 categories inside, but the third category is kind of clipped down, and that suggests to the user that there are more categories. So let me just scroll down. Let me just show you this animation here. And you can, of course, select any type of category you want. If you expand the scene, you can do the scrolling even easier. Okay, let's tap into the second category. As you can see, we have here the logged images are at the bottom, and on the second category, the logged images are on the top. This is an example that you can choose to put the logged images anywhere, the logged stickers anywhere you want. And in the third category, you can see that we have an unlogged image and a logged image, and then so on. Okay, and in the fourth, we have a totally free sticker category, and in the fifth, we have a totally logged sticker category. Okay, let's take a look at 6, 7, and so on. So, what happens? Let's go back here, and one more thing. As you can see, this is a totally free sticker category where we have only one, but this is a free sticker category. The shop icon disappeared. But if we come back to the first one, where we do have some logged stickers, the shop icon button appears again. Now, this is the shop button, as you might have already guessed. This is the restore purchases button. And this is the recently used category. So I will just, let's say I will just use this ghost, and I will not send it this time around. Let me just say this is the display image name, as I was talking about it in the other video. And let's go back. And now if we select it, because we need to select it a bit, let's just try it out and say, yeah, here it is. It is in the first section. Now let's just play a little bit more. Let me just tap in on the cat, and then just go back again and tap. Of course, you are presented with the category that you are selecting. So let's just tap the cat again. And then if we go to the frequently used category, then the cat should be on first, the ghost on second, and so on. And there it is. Simple as that. And if we expand this, we only have 10 stickers available, as I told you in the setup. It's already set up like that. Let's go back here. Okay. And select category 1. If we scroll down and, oh, sorry about that. Let's just scroll down. It's quite hard with the mouse. And let's say we want to click on this witch. And one of the most requested feature was from Rebeloper Messages is to add an alert that pops up when a sticker, a locked sticker, is tabbed. In previous Rebeloper Messages, you either had to make it a huge sized sticker, so it will not send it, or you could just cover it with the whole log, but that wasn't quite good enough. So in Rebeloper Messages 10, that problem has been solved. We are showing an alert. So sticker is locked. Do you want to unlock the sticker? You could unlock the category now or unlock all categories because, as you might have remembered, we do have all in-app purchases, all stickers. I will just cancel that out now. Okay, what else is here? Yes, you can add as many categories as you want, and of course as many stickers as you want. And that about concludes, yeah, of course, here is our app title. You already know that. And if we would turn on accessibility, all of the elements would be voice accessible. That covers the design and preview of Rebeloper messages stat. Hope you enjoyed it, and go ahead and watch all the other videos on how to set up all the IDs and how to add them to your project. Okay, see you in the next one, and I hope you will enjoy Rebeloper messages stat.